Hi there. Today I'm here to walk you through creating a simple chart in Canva. Let's get started. Navigate to the Apps tab and search for Charts. Click on this icon to proceed. You will be presented with a range of chart types. For the purposes of this tutorial, select the bar chart. You can configure the chart by either manually entering your data or importing an Excel file, which simplifies the process, especially for larger data sets. Specify which columns you want to use for labels and which ones should represent the values. Once you have customized the chart's design, if you imported data from an Excel file, the chart will automatically apply the design settings based on your Excel file. Additionally, you have the option to switch to different chart styles to better suit your presentation needs. Thanks for watching, and happy creating!